Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will review 7000 hash. Hash welcome to register. It's really good and safety invest grab site guys. Now I will show you registration process. All you have to write your username in here and after create password and confirm your password, enter invitation code. You can see my invitation code in the description part guys, and enter your phone number in here, um, and verification code guys, and register now. I already registered before the video, so I sign in now and I'm writing my username in here, and guys I'm writing my login password and login successful. This is the announcements. Team Daily divine the trade. As you can see, level 1 commission is 16%, level 2 commission is 8%, and level 3 commission is 4%. It is really good commission guys, and I really recommend it to you, these sites. Now, what are we doing? We will do how I will show you how can you deposit, how can you invest and grab, and how can you withdraw back your money. Now let's move on to the let's move on to the deposit part. I'm choosing in USDT TRC20 and next in here, and USDT top up. Choose your top up in here. Use USDT my my deposit and copy in here. And after I open my Tron link, I use Tron link because it is the fastest way. And choose send in here and press and 1000 USDT and send sign, and after the transaction, uh, give screenshot and paste it in here, and after confirm in here, and the cash has will arrive in your wallet. And I already deposit before the video, and I will show you like this. As you can see, 100 USDT are deposit our money. Now we can do grab guys. Grab in here and grab in here. Okay, we're waiting the minutes, and we have looking in here, we have 5 orders per day. You can do it every day, and automatic grab in here. We're waiting countdown. We will do all of grab now. I'm waiting what we come in, and cargo door automail USP and submit in here, and the commission as you can see like this. Now I will do all grab, and when I finish I will come back. Waiting to me guys. We have one automatic grab only, and this is the last grab, and waiting to what will come in, and Waiki 30 clips, something, an order completed. Now we will do all order, and in the 2 minutes we earn $2 guys. It's really good, I think. Now we can do withdraw. You have not set the payment password and cannot withdraw. Do you want to set the payment password? Okay, I really want. And you need to set transaction password. Okay, I want to. Right here, I'm waiting guys. We can have to go to the mobile phone mode. Now we can do 0000 my transaction password and submit in here, and successfully submit. Now I can back to normal mode. Okay, now we will add the withdrawal method in here. Add withdrawal method and real name also, and email crypto swamp business at gmail.com. Phone number in here, and address, please enter home address. Okay, I'm writing basically not much, and please enter network address. Okay, I'm copying my withdrawal address. I think guys, I'm copy it and paste it here, and transaction password. I'm going to mobile phone mode again, and writing here, and submit. Okay, now we can do withdraw guys. Withdraw in here and balance like this, and completed day. Okay, and transaction password, And confirm, guys, the format of has entered Amazon current place enter greater than 0. Oh, sorry. And okay, confirm again. And I'm not sure waiting handling fee. 1 and confirm and submitted successfully. As you can see, it's activated and we can do it. It's really good and I really like the sites. Now we will check the other things on the site. This is the company profile. Guys, as you can see, Hash platform is affiliated to Haukato, Ainch, and October. You can see the map in here. This is the noise membership level and other things. Everything in there. If you want more information, you can read it here. And now I'm checking the other things. This is the promotion reward in here. Newcomers first recharge bonus for first recharge of 100 USDT and above get 8.6 USDT bonus and really good, I think. And this is the promotion rewards. Like this guy's total number of teams. It's really good. And beginner tutorial in here because you don't need beginner tutorial because I'm here now. And this is the financial part. You can see the financial in here like this. And other things order. You can see your all order in here. This is the online service. If you have any problem, you can talk with them and you can solve on your problem. This is the my profile and personal info in here and order record in here, account details in here, everything in here. And it's the friends invitation is really important. You can see my invitation link in the description part. And if you share with your friends these links, you can take a commission on your friends and you can earn money like this on your home. And this is the team reports. We have two level of in level team. Level 1 is 16% commission, level 2 is 8%, and level 3 is 5% commission, guys. And this is the announcement part. We already checked the announcement part. And app download, if you want, you can app download and you can use your own mobile phone and help quit update and Google verification. And we will check the everything. And thanks for watching me. Love you. See you soon. Bye bye.